We've been using air purifiers for a very long time now in Delhi because the air in our city has been blighted for perhaps several decades now. We started using our first generation of air purifiers in the 1990s, and we've gone through to our fifth or sixth generation. And somehow even those indoor air purifiers were not quite doing the job that we wanted them to do, which is what made us turn to a more comprehensive whole house solution. And that's what led us to VaaYoo, the product that you all offer at BreatheEasy. And we learned more about it and tried to understand how it works, and it was a very short learning curve, and we quickly decided to go for your product. We installed two of them in our house, one for the upper level, one for the lower level. And what we found over a short period of time is that the dust levels reduced and the overall indoor air quality was consistent and cleaner than previously. And despite leakages through doors and windows, in fact that's even encouraged in this product of yours because it replenishes and refreshes the air that's indoors. So what we found was that the air quality improved, dust levels reduced, and the overall AQI went down on a fairly consistent basis almost across the entire house, even in the corners and in the smaller rooms. And this product does offer a very comprehensive solution, and it's a reliable product because over many months of having used it now, we've never had the product trip or get fused or sort of run out of steam for any reason. It runs on generator, it runs on normal power. We clean the filters on a fairly regular basis every 2 or 3 days these days because this is the high air pollution season. But as we ease into spring and summer and the air quality naturally starts to improve with warming in the air, we'll probably clean the filters on a less frequent basis. But overall, I'd say this is a good product with a consistent level of quality, and the promise is delivered on by BreatheEasy and VaaYoo, and it's a good product that will help with indoor air quality and just being able to sit indoors, be indoors, sleep indoors with less of a concern,